in open spaces. We have Celebration Park, Creative Park, Community Park, Pedestrian Park, and green spaces. So those green spaces are these. So as I said, maraming spaces, maraming green spaces, and maraming parks. So while enjoying our living here in the condo, hindi lang tayo nakastay lang sa room natin. Bagkus, na-enjoy natin yung nature. So the love for convenience, we all know that Lamora at Micara Estate is along the highway of Antares Soriano. We have also a lot of infrastructures here. We have SM Tansap, Calax, SLEX, NAIAX, PTEX, and future infrastructures. And lastly, the endless possibilities that Lamore has to offer. We have a parking building here. Of course, our